Hello, do you have decluttering burnout? You know, a lot of that is decision fatigue, and that's because you have probably just organized your clutter to such a point that you think that you've decluttered it, and you have to keep going back to it because you haven't really decluttered it. You've put decisions, especially emotional decisions, in your pile to be done later, and now is later. And so you might have burnout because you're having to make so many decisions. But the thing to know is that you can rise above the burnout. You can rise above it. You do not have to be ruled by your clutter or by your things that you've saved. You can let them go, and they're not going to come back to haunt you. Just let them go. Today, practice that. Turn on your music, get your water, set your timer, go to your stack or your pile and declutter for 15 minutes, making a decision as quickly as you can on each thing, and recalling what I've said before. If you say, do I want to keep this? That means it's a giveaway or a throwaway. If you say, do I want to keep this? Absolutely, that's definitely a keep, right? But if it's because you're thinking of a reason to keep it, that's not good enough. Let that go. This is going to keep you from having decluttering burnout. Make it a great day.